Hey guys, I'm with my little brother RJ, and we're looking out the window and we keep hearing weird noises. So in the comments, can you please stop. Can you please tell me what the sound is so I'm more comfortable in the night instead of being scared for my life? Alright, so just listen.
Oh,
Shh.
so
Shh.
okay.
I swear there was weird noises.
Yeah.
Oh, here comes Isabel. So put in the comments, it was like clanking and scratching. It was on my roof too. So please tell me in the comments what you think it is. Alright, bye.